So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine the string from the crown up towards the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Now we'll shake through the joints, starting with that left wrist, then up to the elbow and to the shoulder, and the right wrist, the elbow and the shoulder, and both arms. So standing on the right leg, we'll shake into the left ankle and the knee, and all the way to the hip, and onto the other side, into the ankle and the knee, and to the hip, and feet back to hip width. And we'll inhale, bring the arms up, exhale, sweep the arms down. So inhale up, exhale down. And bring the arms down, and we'll work on the lower joints. So standing on that right leg, we're going to circle into the left hip. So keep the belly button squeezed in. And we'll circle the other way. So if you want the arms out for balance, then try that. Remember, find that focus point, something still to stare at. So we'll do the other side, so circling into the right hip. And the other side. And bring that leg down. So working on the knee joint. So bring the left leg up, bend the knee, fingertips to the kneecap, and circling into the knee joint. So that left foot stays relaxed. And then we'll go the other way. And bring that leg down. Onto the other side, and just circling into the right knee. And the other way. Bring the leg down. And finally the ankles. So take hold of that left knee if you can, and rotate the ankle joint. So go one way and then the other. And then take hold of the right knee, squeeze the knee in, and rotate that the right ankle. And the other way. And bring the leg down, feet back to hip width. I'm going to work on the wrists. So bring the left arm up, shoulder height, fingertips reaching up towards the sky. We gently pull back on the fingers, and then point the fingers down. Again, pulling the fingers towards the body. So fingertips up, so you get that stretch across the bottom of the wrist. And fingertips down, so you get the stretch across the top of the wrist. And we'll do the other side. So keeping the arm just at shoulder height, fingers pointing up. And point the fingers down. Again, fingers pointing up, gently pull back. And fingers pointing down. Now interlace the fingers and just imagine making a figure of 8 with the hands, and then go the other way. Now have the left arm out with the palm facing away, and then the other arm across, so palms together. And then bring the hands through if you can. So remember, do not strain with this. So we bend the elbows, hands come down, up and through. So you may not be able to get very far with this, and that's fine. You just want that stretch in the wrists and the forearms, but without causing any pain. The hands coming through and back. So hands come down, up and through. So one side might be a lot easier than the other. And shake the wrists out. So one more bit of balance and stretching the quads down the front of the thighs. So we'll take hold of that left foot with the left hand, and if you can, take the right hand to the foot as well. So for a little bit more of a stretch, imagine pushing that left hip forwards, and then squeeze the elbows together, straighten the arms, and lifting the leg, but keeping the body upright. And just try that a few times. See if you get deeper into that quad stretch. Now we'll bring that leg down, we'll do the other side. We'll take hold of the right foot with the right hand, and then take the left hand across. Pushing the right hip forwards. And if you still want even more of a stretch, squeeze the elbows together, stretch the arms, and then lift that knee. Remember, crown to the sky. And we'll bring that leg down. So we're going to start in high lunge with the right leg forward, left leg back. So the left heel is up, the right knee is bent. So try and sink down through the middle so the shoulders stay above the hips. Try and straighten that back leg. Now we're going to come into runner's lunge. So we take the left hand to the inside of that right foot, twist at the waist, and bring the right arm up. And control back, and swap to the other side. So left leg forward, right leg back. That left knee is bent, aiming to get the right leg straight if you can, with that heel up. Keeping the weight center. You can always stay here, or we're going to add the runner's lunge. We'll take that right hand down to the ground, twist at the waist, and bring the left arm up. And then control back to the middle. And we'll come back to that good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down, crown to the sky. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. down, and we'll